السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم أيها الطلاب? Today first I'm going to translate the lesson number 19. نحن أسرة واحدة. We are one family. Yes. Here are one picture, here also one picture and some question. But before answering this question, first let I translate the lesson. Already my students 8C and 8E have translated this lesson. So listen carefully. Here is one type of activity about pollution, and the actors and the characters are taken by the trees, because you know that whatever we are getting, it's from plants, from trees, fruits, grains and all. When they are only getting polluted because the water is not clean, air is not clean, so that's why the fruits and the grains are getting polluted and the diseases increased. So first, what's the summary and what's the topic and heading? So look here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. حينما يرتفع الستار يوجد على الجدار تقويم وَيُوجَدُ عَلَى الطَّاوِلَةِ هَاتِفٌ. When the curtain raises, sitar, curtain. When the curtain raises, يُوجَدُ عَلَى الْجِدَارِ تَقْوِيمٌ. A calendar found on the wall. A calendar found on the wall. You can see here. Yes. وَيُوجَدُ عَلَى الطَّاوِلَةِ هَاتِفٌ, and a telephone found on the table. Here you can see. Yes. تَجْلِسُ نَخْلَةُ النَّارْجِلِ عَلَى الْكُرْسِي. Coconut tree sits on the chair. وَفِي يَدِهَا جَرِيدَةٌ. There is newspaper in her hand. وَهِيَ تَقْرَأُ الْأَخْبَارِ. And she is reading news. So ये आपको एक पिक बता दिया, फिर अंदर क्या एक्टिविटी होगी वो आगे आएगा. When the curtain raises, a calendar found on the wall and a telephone found on the table. Coconut tree sits on the chair. In her hand there is a newspaper. She is reading news. Now what's the news? In second. ماتت عشرات من الناس في بلاد بيهار وفي كيرلا جفت الحقول والمزارع في مقاطعة بالكاد. ماتت died, ashara many, من الناس from the people in Bihar town. Many people died in Bihar town, Bihar city, and in Kerala, وفي Kerala and Kerala جفت الحقول والمزارع. Many farms and garden dried in the county. In the county. Many yes. So I was telling Beda that many people died in Bihar town, and in Kerala the farms dried hardly in the county. Now the story start. Tadkhulu shajaratul mawz wa hiya tabki. Banana tree enters crying. Banana tree enters crying. रोते हुए banana tree enter. قالت nakhlatul rarjil. Coconut tree said, Malaki tabkeen. What happened? You are crying. Shajaratul Mauz. Banana tree replied, Ana mariza, banati wa ukhti fil mustashfa, ma akalna wa ma sharibna munzu usbu'ain. Banana tree said, Ana mariza, I am sick. Banati wa ukhti fil mustashfa, my daughters and sister are in the hospital. Ma akalna wa ma sharibna munzu usbu'ain. We have not ate and not drank since from 2 weeks. Since from 2 weeks. 2 weeks से हमने कुछ खाया पिया नहीं है, और मेरी बहनें और बेटियां हॉस्पिटल में हैं और मैं खुद भी बीमार हूं. शजरतुन नारजिल, coconut tree replied, Ya lalajab, oh God, usbu'ain, from 2 weeks, alaysa hawlaki abar wa anhar, there is no wells and rivers around you. क्यों पानी भी नहीं और खाना भी नहीं? क्या वहां कुएं नहीं है, नदी नहीं है? अलैसा हौलकी आबार व नहर, there is no wells and rivers around you. Shajaratul Mauz, Bala walakin mahrumun, yes, why not, but we are deprived. हम दूर कर दिए गए, हमको मिल ही नहीं रहा है. नखलतुन नारजिल mahrumun lima ya ukhti, deprived, why, oh my sister? Shajaratul Mauz, banana tree replied, هذه الأكياس من اللدائن تمنعنا من المياه. These plastic bags stops us. What? These plastic bags stops us what? From water. Tadkhulul arika wa shajaratu manja. Arika enters Sabah al Khair, good morning. Nakhlatul Narjil wa shajaratul Mauzman, Sabah al Nur, Mal Akhbar. Coconut tree and banana tree together replied, good morning. What's the news? What are the news? Al arika, mushkilatun jidda, kayfa naish? Many problems, how we'll live? हम कैसे जिएंगे? Alma wal hawa wal turab kulluha masmuma. The water, the air, the mud, all are poisoned, polluted. Shajaratu manja, mango tree replied, sah, right. Wa nahnu aizan fi hadhihi al-mushkila, we are also in this difficulty. Man ikhtara hadhihi al-ladain, who invented these plastics? Who invented these plastics? Nakhratul Narjil, coconut tree replied, insan, human. Yarinul Hatif, takhud Nakhratul Narjil, samna'a, the telephone bell rings. Coconut tree takes the receiver. Nakhlatul Narjil, coconut tree, hello, Mammai, who is talking, hello, Mada, what? Ye baat hui. Tadaw Nakhlatul Narjil as-samma, the coconut tree keeps the receiver. Nakhlatul Narjil, coconut tree said, Ma'al huzni shadid, with great sadness, Matat ukhtu shajaratul mauz, banana tree sister died. Banana tree sisters died. Al-Jami wa safa mata hadasa, all replied, oh, sorry. When occur? Ye kab hua? Nakhlatul Narjil, qabla nisfi sa'a, coconut tree replied, before half an hour. Yartafi bukaw shajaratul mauz wal akhar yusallunahu. Banana tree crying raises, others accusement her, tasalli de rahe usko. Al-Jami, all say, Nazirin al-Mushahidin, looking at the observers, Alasna min ussatin wahida, we are not from one family. Nahlifu bi annana lan nuthmira ba'du, we swear will not give fruit anymore. We not give fruit anymore. Walan nazillu, and we do not stay hatta tatruku hadhihi mulawwathat, until these pollutants leave. And we do not stay until these pollutants leave. तो बच्चों, ये है ट्रांसलेशन लेसन का. हाँ, दुआ करो कि जल्दी से स्कूल के खुलने के न्यूज़ आ जाए, खुल जाए तो आपके सामने ये अच्छे से पेश किया जावे, समझाया जावे। इसमें बहुत सारे फ़ेले माजी यूज़ हुए हैं, फ़ेले मुजारी यूज़ हुए हैं, और एक है फ़ेले मुजारी अननोन फाइल वाला, वो इंशाल्लाह आप सामने आओगे तो समझाएंगे। अब इसकी बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइज आगे स्टार्ट होगी, तो इंशाल्लाह आप उसको प्रिपेयर करके तैयार रहें। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर और नेक्स्ट लाइव क्लास के अंदर सीखेंगे, समझेंगे। ठीक है इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम, अल्लाह हाफिज़।